Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Daphne. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get into the video. Okay, today I'm going to be making lo mein, and this is my version of it, but it's very delicious. I got spaghetti noodles that I've already cooked and rinsed off with cool water, making sure they're not sticky, so they're good. I got some sugar snap peas. I got some bean sprouts. It's in a can, but I couldn't find no fresh, so it's all right. Mushrooms, chicken breast, shrimp that's already been peeled, deveined, good to go. I just washed them off. Bok choy. I got some green onions that I've got to cut up still, but to put in. I also have some oyster sauce, teriyaki sauce, some soy sauce, and this is just water and vegetable oil. But yeah, all right, let's get going. I am cooking on my Blackstone griddle. You can do this in the house. That is fine. But I can cook a lot of stuff out here at one time, which makes it easier for me. I love this thing. It cooks so good, but you can't cook it in the house. This is easy. I'm going to get my shrimp on. Shrimp ain't going to take but a couple minutes to cook. I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce. I'm going to add a little bit of teriyaki sauce. I'm going to add a little bit of oyster sauce to my chicken. This stuff's thick. Add a little bit, and then, taste it after you mix it up. And if it needs more, add more. But that's what I do when I cook this type of stuff. If you add too much and not taste it, it can be too much. But do a little bit at a time. Get it to the taste that you like. All right. Okay, the shrimp are done. Get these off. I'm going to add all of it back together at the end, but just right now I'm trying to get everything cooked. Okay, the shrimp is off, and I'm going to add some mushrooms in 1 second to this other side. Let's mix this up so it cooks some more. Mushrooms. I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of teriyaki to my mushrooms, but they are done. So, and the chicken is. I'm going to get both of these off and add some more stuff. In my bowl over here, I'm just going to add this chicken right with this front because it's all going back in. It's the same thing anyway. Bok choy and this sugar snap peas. I forgot what they were called for a minute. so they get sizzling. These shrimp take just a couple minutes just so they will. And that takes some seasoning. Soy sauce. A little bit of teriyaki. Then take the bok choy off. And it ain't a whole bunch. Everybody don't like it, so just for us that do, mix it in with ours. I like bok choy. Okay, and pull these off. I'm going to time to put down my noodles. Alright, now putting everything together. Kind of took the shape of the bowl where it's been sitting there. And there we go. Break up. That's in here, and I have another one open. Teriyaki sauce, oyster sauce, okay, now I'm going to start adding the rest of my stuff in. Start off with my shrimp and my chicken. Actually, pretty much that's all I can add right now. Then I'm going to have to divide it because everybody don't eat the other stuff, so... Nope, you're not falling down there. Alright, now I'm going to, well, maybe make sure I got it good and mixed up. Now I'm going to divide it. Okay, now I'm going to finish adding what I've got. Mushrooms, bok choy. Well, I thought I would have made a little bit more bok choy, but I didn't. I didn't know I was going to put down that much. I'm not going to add all these snap peas because my younger daughter don't like mushrooms and stuff, but she does like these, so I'm going to add them to hers. Okay. These are my bean sprouts. I'm gonna some green onions. Okay. Teriyaki sauce. Soy sauce. A little bit more oyster sauce. Let's add a bit more teriyaki. Teriyaki is so good. Oh, smells good. I'm going to take everything off, and I will see you back inside for a taste test. Okay, now to taste it. No, it looks good. That's good. One more bite. Please definitely give this a try. This is amazing. Like I said, you can cook it in the house. Don't even have to be outside. Delicious. With that being said, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe and push the bell button to be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks again. Have a blessed day.